the Green Office Partner Training. Let me show you some of the great features that are in the print driver. So you go and print your document, you go into Properties, which will bring up your print driver functionality. Under Job Type, you'll see certain things like Sample Set. What Sample Set is great for is if you have a document that you have to print that's multiple pages and you need multiple sets of those, you can go ahead and have one copy of that print. You can check to make sure there's no spelling errors and print the rest of your documents. Another thing within the print driver is what's called Secure Print. The great thing about Secure Print is the document is not going to print until you go up and release it at the user interface. The first time you go into the Secure Print, it will ask you to put in a code, a 4 to 10-digit code. The next time you go in, it will remember your code, and you are the only one who will know that code. You simply hit OK. OK on the document to print it, and then when you go into the user interface of the device, you'll go into Jobs to release your Secure Print.